And good afternoon. Today we're going to be doing probability.
All right.
It's our first time doing probability as a class, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
Let's do it.
Let's start it off. Yay, math?
Yay! Yeah!
Louder than...
No! No! You lose!
Oh, they see me through the window. This is like me in the wind. Okay. So probability is the likelihood of something occurring. So let me ask you a question. Let's say we throw two coins in the air, boom, boom, and then we look at them. What is the probability of both heads? Two coins, probability of both heads.
Of both heads what?
Of both heads. We got 5%, okay?
50.
25%. Okay, 25%. So what's that as a fraction? 1/4. All right, any other answers?
No, you have, it's both heads.
Both are heads. So I flip, flip, look, look. Chances for both being
Mine
heads.
was 25.
We got
25.
50.
15.
No, 50.
25. 50%?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
All right. Ooh,
Okay, who wants
you're
to
a
take
rich
the,
man.
Who wants to take the bet?
I'll take it.
I'll bet you your money.
Okay. Well, you're betting on what? What are you betting on?
On heads. Hold on.
I'm betting
I'll
on
bet on
tails.
both. I'll bet on both heads.
Both heads.
I'll bet on.
Okay.
I'll
If
bet
it's
on
both
one
heads, you get
tail.
it.
Wait.
Okay.
And if
I'll
it's
bet on
one
my
tail.
grade. I'll bet
Kind of
on my
boy.
grade.
It always comes back to the grade.
I know.
I'll give you 50 cents though if you lose.
Wait.
It's
If
heads.
it's tails and a heads, I get the money.
Both tails.
Oh!
Both tails. No, don't. I don't want it.
No.
Okay, again.
I'll take it. All right, tails and heads.
Oh, wait,
Now
yeah,
it's
yeah.
both heads. Let's look
Wow.
at it again.
How do you...
What is this?
Both tails again.
Oh my
You
god.
don't really move it around, seriously.
You have flip them.
Move
Flip
it.
them around.
Dance break.
You're not
Boom.
gonna be
Both heads again.
Damn.
Wow, it's a lucky day.
Eat my leg.
Okay.
So who wins?
Who knows?
Wow.
We're all winners in the game of life.
Okay.
Oh, that's our school's way.
I know. Yeah.
All right. So what are all the possible outcomes? Let's list them out. Do you know how many outcomes there could be?
2.
4.
4.
4. Let's list them.
4.
Heads.
Heads, heads.
Head. Tails. Tails.
Tails, tails.
And head and tail.
Heads. Tails.
Heads, tails.
And
Tails.
head.
Heads.
Well,
Tails.
does tails heads really count? Because isn't tails heads the same thing as heads tails?
It's not. Good question. Tails, heads is not the same as heads, tails. These are two different outcomes because they're two different coins. Another way that we did it was, let's say we have, right, we have outcome 1 and outcome 2. How many possibilities for outcome 1?
2.
2. Possibilities for outcome 2?
2.
2.
Multiply.
4. Who remembers what this principle is called?
Counting principle.
Very good. Counting principle.
Good
So
job.
there's 4. So the probability of both heads, let's define probability. Probability is?
The likelihood of something happening.
That's right. In the mathematical sense, number of successful outcomes over number of possible outcomes. So we already agreed. How many possible outcomes are there?
4.
4. All right. And the number of successful outcomes for both heads, how many? How many of these 4?
2.
1.
Oh, 1.
1 would be both heads. And so it's 1 out of 4 chance. All right?
All right.
Let's do probability of 1 heads, 1 tails.
50%.
So yeah, let's do it as a
2.
fraction. 50% is right.
2/4.
2 over 4.
No, no, yes, yes. So 2 over 4 is right. But we need to simplify this
The
too.
half.
1/2, very good. Okay. Any questions on this example? So 3 kids.
How about Yeri?
What are the possible outcomes for the first child?
Boy or girl?
Boy or girl? Or
Alien.
elf?
Yeah, or elf.
Boy,
Careful,
or
we
other.
Boy, girl, or other.
So it's 2 on the bottom.
So 2 chances, or 2 outcomes for the first kid. Outcomes for the second?
2.
2. Outcomes for the
Two.
third?
2.
2. Makes a total of
8.
8. All right, so we multiply the possibilities. So there are 8 different scenarios for a family having 3 children in terms of their order.
So would
Okay?
you do 8 over 3? Or
Not necessarily, not necessarily. Let's first map out all the scenarios, all these 8 scenarios. Okay? Starting with the, let's start with boys.
Boy,
Boy. Here we go. Boy.
Girl.
Okay, so girl, let's do it at the bottom.
Oh,
All right, so that we'll get to it. I want to do some sort of
Boy, girl.
systematically. Let's start changing from the end.
boy, girl.
And now we can't change this anymore, so what can we
Girl,
change?
boy.
girl.
So let's change this
Oh.
one.
Boy, girl, boy.
Boy, girl, boy.
Girl, boy, boy.
And then boy, let's do it this way. Boy, girl. See what we just did?
We did
We
all
kept
ones
the
with
boys.
First one.
We kept the boys as much as possible. So this is all 4 of the same. Then if you look closely, you see we have 2 then 2. See that? 2 then 2. Then if you look closely again, you have 1, 1, 1, 1. All right? So now, do you agree that we can do this scenario again, except girls in the front?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do,
Girl.
yeah, so let's just do girls in the front like this.
Yeah.
Girls in the front. Okay, so we have, look at the pattern. You're gonna get used to it, all right? The first times it's a little slow. Watch this, 4, then 4. Then after 4 and 4, what do we have?
2, 2.
2. So what should we write here and here and here?
Girl, boy.
Let's do it like
Boy,
this.
boy, girl.
G.
Let's do it this way. The same it is above. See it?
And then
4
boy, girl.
boys, 4 girls. 2 boys, 2 girls, 2 boys, 2 girls. And now boy, girl,
1, 1.
boy, girl.
1.
Boy, girl.
Boy, girl, boy,
Good job.
girl. It's more systematic, right? So here we have our 8, and we split the first column into half, 4 and 4. We half that 2, 2, 2, 2. Then we half the 2's into 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Questions about the idea? About that idea of doing it systematically. Okay, there we go. So now, probability of one boy, one bi, one other,
What?
one boy, and 2 girls in any order. Okay. So, in terms of the definition of probability, do we know one of the numbers? Do we know the top or the bottom right off the bat?
Yeah, no, the bottom.
8 is the bottom. Very good. Okay, so we know 8. Okay, and now all we have to do is count.
Wait, why 8?
Because there's 8 total scenarios.
Oh.
4th again.
Yeah.
Let's find out. 1 boy and 2 girls. Is that one?
No.
No.
The
Is
2
that
bottom
one?
ones are.
No.
No. Is that one?
No.
Is that one?
Yay!
Cheer when we get there. Is that one?
No.
Is that one?
No.
Yeah. Yes.
Yay!
Is that one?
Yeah.
Yay! No!
No. So how many?
3.
3 out of it.
That's the answer. 3 out of 8. Okay.
Alright.
All right. Let's alter the question. Probability of 1 boy and 2 girls in that order. 1 boy and 2 girls. Raise your hand. Don't call it out. I want to see if you can think. Probability of 1 boy and 2 girls in that specific order. What's the probability?
1/8.
1 out of 8. That's
What
right.
do you mean by that order?
I'm a family, right? It's like, baby, I want 1 boy and I want 2 girls.
Yalla.
Make it happen. Go ahead, I'm watching you. I'm working on it. You know. So do you get
The
it?
baby crying.
That's the baby. The baby's coming out. That's a pretty low voice for a baby crying.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm back in a month. What?
I completely can't see
Okay, we're gonna talk about it. I want the scenario of.
Wait, I'm sorry. Is it the same as like combinations and then P?
No,
Like,
no. Take combinations,
So
permutations
take what we
out.
learned and threw it out.
Put it in a bucket.
Okay.
Yeah, so we want,
Throw it in the
to answer the
bag.
question,
Which
we
you'll
want
have
one boy and two girls in that order, meaning I want boy, girl, girl.
Never mind.
Is this boy, girl, girl?
No.
That is. That's the only one. So 1 out of 8. Okay, next one. What about probability of, how about at least 2 girls? We want a family with a lot of females representing because they're less trouble, they don't get in trouble, and they're better.
No, they're not.
4 out of 8.
Alright, let's talk about it.
8,
At
1
least
half.
2 girls.
1 half.
Alright, is this one?
No.
Okay, let's take the checks off.
No.
because those would be.
Is this one?
No.
Is this one?
No.
No.
Yay!
Why are you yelling?
Supposed to.
Is that one?
People
No.
that cheer.
That one?
Yay!
That one?
Yay!
That one?
Yay!
Answer?
Yay!
4 over 8.
4 out of 8, simplify.
A cheer.
A half.
Okay, any other questions you could think of before we move on from this? Yeah.
So basically, in that example
What
3
do
that you
you
gave,
get?
so it doesn't matter which order as long as there's 2 girls and 1 boy. So whatever the 8 different combinations are, if you write it out, then you just go and choose how many of them have 2 G's and how many have 1 B.
That's right.
Now let's say you didn't write it out, what's the other way of doing that?
To know how many outcomes there are. And that's what we're doing next. Okay?
Okay.
We're doing that next. But this is a good
But
example.
like,
It's
what
good
if
to
they were
write it
like,
out.
what if they were like,
Don't worry about that. I have the next example. I have the next example for you. I have an example of 52 possibilities.
There's a lot of
a deck of cards?
Wing. Yeah.
Baboon.
What about, that's good. We did this one, so we're out.
A race.
Okay, now, let's talk about the deck of cards.
Ooh.
Okay, how many cards are in the deck without the jokers?
52.
52.
52.
Why do you know that?
52 cards.
54 with 2.
52 cards. How many different colors?
4.
Colors.
Two.
Oh! Nay.
What are they?
Red and black.
Red and black. What are the different suits? Hearts.
Diamond.
Diamonds. Color code, huh? You like that?
52
Spade.
cards, red and blue.
Red and black, Jeremy.
Nice.
Jason.
And club. Alright, that works. Okay, so there are the 4 different suits. Okay? How many different types of cards, like numbers, are there?
9. Oh.
9 numbers. And how many picture cards?
3.
4.
So
4 counting the ace.
4 counting the ace. So let's call the ace not a
Wouldn't the
picture.
ace be a letter?
Oh, darn.
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm not going to count the ace as a picture. So there's 13 different cards. And how many each of the 13?
4.
4 each.
Because like
Okay,
ace
so that's
considered
breaking
1,
it
right?
down.
For each what?
There's 4 2s, 4 3s, 4 4s, 4 5s, 4 6s.
Oh.
Okay? Alright, so here we go.
Alright.
Probability of pulling a red card out of a deck of 52.
1/2.
Alright,
Yeah,
so
1 half.
red card. So let's do it. 26 out of 52 simplifies to 1/2.
50% chance.
50%, right? So we can even
Good job.
Okay, it's getting more. Probability of pulling a diamond.
13 out of 52.
Diamond, right.
So 1 4. 1 4.
So there's 4 different suits throughout the deck. All right, the deck is split into an even number one of these. Actually, 13 of each of these. All right, so that means there's 13 diamonds. Very good. So 13 out of 52 is 1/4%, you know?
25.
25, very good. Okay, let's keep it going. Let's up the ante, as they say. Let's do,
All in.
how about number card? That's fun. Number card, and we're saying that
30.
including ace. Let's go.
36 over 52.
Including ace.
36.
Isn't it 4 out of
40 out of 50.
Wait, you said it goes up to 9?
36 out of
And there's
52.
So, ace.
36.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 of these
Wait.
different cards.
There's 10 though. There's a 10 card.
10, you're right. Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
that's what I said.
Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, that's right.
40 out of 50.
40.
So it's 40 out of 52.
That means that it's 20 out of 26.
40 out of 52. Divide both by 4.
So that's
77.
10 over 13. 10 over 13.
I learned 6.
10 over 13. Divide both
Well,
by.
that's because look at it's out of 1. That's how much there is.
Yeah,
right?
that's
Yeah, that's right.
Out of 1,
That's right. Right, there's the 3 others. The 3 others are the pictures,
Yeah.
categories. Very good. Okay, so that's those. Let's get in. How about a red picture? How about a red
8 out
picture
of
card?
52.
Red picture card. Not including the ace.
2.
6 out of 52.
So there's how many jacks are there that are red?
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
not including.
2 red jacks.
Not including
Yeah.
8.
8 out of
26.
50.
6 out of 52.
2 queen
Yeah,
reds
6 out of 52.
and 2 red kings. So I'm getting 6. Getting 6?
Yeah, but you divided it again. So it's 3 out of 50. Or 26.
Right, so we'll put it down. 6 out of 52. Questions about why it's 6?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, how many jacks are there?
Oh, you took out 4
I
face
have no
cards.
clue.
3.
No. How many jacks are there total?
Oh, 3
4.
face cards. including
4.
the ace.
How many red jacks? 2.
Oh.
2 red jacks,
2
red
red
queens.
queens.
2 red kings.
So 326.
Is that what it is? 3 out of 26.
David, can you focus?
So
Wait,
not
what
very
do you
good
divide
chances.
that one by? 2? Why?
To simplify.
Oh, okay.
Always need to simplify. Who can think of another one? Interesting.
9 of hearts.
Black, ace.
A 9 of hearts.
Well, that's 1 out of 52.
1 out of 52, 9 of
Yeah.
hearts. There's only one 9 of hearts,
That's
job.
true.
right?
Good job.
An odd number.
1.
An odd number. That's cool. That's good. Odd number. Okay, an odd number, and are we gonna include ace on that?
Yeah.
Okay,
Ace me 1.
let's go.
Is 3, 5, 7, 5.
An odd number, shall we do it together?
20 out of 52?
5 out of 50.
A 1,
3.
3, 5, 7, 9.
So it's
5 different types.
times 4.
And an ace.
Times 4. Yeah, we did the
That's
ace.
20.
So that's 20. Ace, 3, 5, 7, 9.
You're doing 9 times 4 isn't 20.
5 times 4.
Well, with the problem like that, you only need to find it out of 1
So it's
suit,
20
because
over
you're gonna
52?
divide it by 4.
5 out of 13.
Say that on the back again.
5 over 13.
With a problem like this, you only need to find it in 1 suit because you're gonna divide it by 4 anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I hear you. And then, just to preview what we're going to do next, and I'll leave you with a little something to think about, is what if you wanted to do 2 cards? So the first probability, let's say the first probability would be to take a, let's say I wanted to do red, then black. Okay? Red, then black. So probability of red, we talked about, was what?
50%.
A half, right? Which was 26 out of 52. Now, without putting the card back, what's the probability of getting a black card on the second pull?
26.
100%.
I don't think people heard, let people think. That's good, we got one. Probability of pulling a black card in the second pull without putting that first red card back in the deck. How many are in the deck now?
51.
51. And how many black cards are in there?
20.
26.
26. Why not 25?
Because you only pull the red one.
Because we pulled the red. So there's still 26 blacks. And to get these two, both of them, happening at the same time, what do you think you do with these? Like counting principle?
No. Cross multiply.
Yeah, just multiply. Just multiply. And that'll be it. The chances are 26 out of 102.
Or can it be
And then simplify.
13 over 51?
Yeah, that's actually that's better to do this one.
Divide by 2.
13, yeah. 13 over 51 chance. Just about a fourth.
little bit more.
Wait, I'm confused.
Just about a little bit more. Yeah,
Why
please.
did it become 26 over 102?
I multiplied across. 1 times 26 is 26.
What is 13?
Oh, so the,
2 times 51 is 102. Yes.
What did that mean? 13 out of 51.
Good. Who can phrase what that means? Please, go ahead loud.
The, out of every 51 cards, there's 13 black. Or, yeah.
No.
No.
No, nice try. Nice try. You wanna do it again?
That's-
I know you know, but it's not out of 51 cards. That's what's cool. What do you say?
It's the chance of pulling a red card and then without putting that card back, then pulling a black one directly out.
It's the chance of pulling a red, then a black. These are your chances. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
Unless, of course, you stack the deck.
Right. Don't want to stack the deck.
Oh, you
Okay.
just had the.
Like, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. That was good. I think we got it. Any questions? Okay. So, how do you want to say goodbye? Swimming?
Swim it away.